Hey everyone, welcome back to BitNext. Today I'm going to show you something really powerful and super useful, an AI-powered Chrome extension called Thunderbit. It helps you scrape any website without writing a single line of code. Yes, seriously. No coding, just clicks. And the best thing? It works directly from your browser. So, let's get started. First, open your Chrome browser and go to thunderbit.com. Once you're there, click on Add to Chrome. The extension will be installed in just a few seconds, and you'll see a small icon on the top right side of your screen. Now, go to any website where you want to collect data. For this example, I'll open a random website. Imagine you want to collect product names, prices, images, and ratings. Once you're on the page, click on the Thunderbit icon. Now you'll see three modes: no pagination, click pagination, and infinite scroll. For now, we'll select no pagination because we just want to scrape data from this one page. Now let's use the AI feature. Click on the button that says AI Suggest Fields. This is where Thunderbit really shines. It automatically detects useful data like product name, price, image, rating, and URL. You don't need to select anything manually. But if you want to add or remove anything, you can click Add Field and pick it yourself directly from the page. Once you're happy with the data selection, click on the Scrape button. Thunderbit will now collect all the data from the page and show you a clean, organized table. It looks like something that would take hours to create manually, but you just did it in seconds. Now you can export your data in different formats. You can copy it, export as CSV or JSON, or even send it directly to Google Sheets, Airtable, or Notion. Super handy if you're working on reports, content planning, or building a database. Now, let's take this to the next level. Thunderbit can even go into each product's page and collect more detailed information like descriptions, reviews, specifications, and more. This is called subpage scraping. Just click on the URL column and choose Scrape Subpages. Then pick a template or add your own fields and hit Scrape. Thunderbit will visit every product page and collect all that extra information for you. Now let's try another mode. Click Pagination. This is for websites with multiple pages. Click on Click Pagination, then click on the Next Page button on the website to teach Thunderbit where to go next. You can select how many pages you want to scrape, let's say 3, and then click Scrape. Thunderbit will automatically move through each page and collect the data without you doing anything. Super smooth, right? Thunderbit also supports infinite scroll pages, and it works really well there too. But that's not all. It also has AI tools to translate your scraped content, summarize it, or even categorize it. You get everything in one place. No external tools needed. And now, let's talk about pricing. Thunderbit has a free version, which is great if you just want to test it or do small scraping tasks. But if you need to scrape large amounts of data or use advanced features like subpage scraping or exporting to tools like Airtable or Notion, then you can go for the paid plan. Honestly, considering the time and effort it saves, it's totally worth it. So whether you're a student doing research, a freelancer working on client projects, a marketer, or just someone who needs data quickly and cleanly, Thunderbit is a game changer. Go ahead, try it out. The link is in the description. And once you use it, tell me in the comments what kind of data you scraped. I'd love to hear your experience. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more AI tools and smart tutorials here on BitNext. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.